All right, guys. So on today's episode, I made a purchase. The fucking oh shit. Anyways, I made a purchase. This is gonna be the winter project. It's already, as you guys can see, wheels, the tires done on the front. The rear, they're decent set, but it's a 2002. What's up, Paul? ¿Cuál carro?
Toyota es amarillo.
Amarillo, okay. So, look at this. Very nice, right?
¿Cuánto vale esa cosita?
¿Esto? Yo pagué 400.
No.
Yeah. Una cámara nice.
Okay.
All right. No. sorry. My worker is Hispanic. I speak Spanish. So, gotta slam this door. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. So this is the little toy that I bought for now. What's it called? I've been looking at lifted trucks out in Arizona, and they have like this Duramax that I'm in love with, so probably gonna check it out, close the deal with them, and then fly out to Arizona and pick it up. But for the meantime, we ordered a 5-inch lift for this. We are getting new wheels, new tires, and this is gonna be the winter project, just so I can have fun and make content, since, as you guys can see, there's snow on the floor. So that means racing is done for. Well, for now. And then next season, the Mustang, that's my friend's Mustang, but my Mustang is gonna be out. It's gonna have a fuel system. It's gonna be on E85, and we are going all out. I'm spending another, I don't know, probably another $6,000. But for now, I gave myself a nice little budget. I'd say $6,000 on this also. So I'm probably spending about $12,000 total for my two. Look at that. How could you not? But yeah, nice $12,000 overall. But just wanted to introduce the new project that is gonna be all over my channel. But what time is it? It's 12:40. I mean 2:47. Wow, 2:47. I'm about to close up because I'm not doing this cold. But yeah, just a nice little heads up that we coming out with something fire this winter.